from Mr. Douglas, Mr. Bailey, people represented by Ms. Clark, Mr. Darden, and Mr. Hodgman. All right, Camp.
And when you see the evidence, and when you hear the witnesses, and when you put it all together and consider the totality of circumstances in this case, the answer will be clear to you as well. The answer to the question is yes. The evidence will show that the answer to the question is yes. OJ Simpson murdered Nicole Brown and Ronald Goldman.
None of us were out there on June 12, 1994. We can only deal with the witnesses as they were. And it seems to me that this case, the prosecution's case, based on what we heard in the evidence, will show this case is about a rush to judgment, an obsession to win at any cost and by any means necessary.
Will not occur again. Also to advise you that it is my intention from time to time.
The glove that was found at the south walkway of the defendant's property at Rockingham revealed blood that was consistent with a mixture of Ron Goldman, Nicole Brown, and the defendant.
The idea that there was a bloody glove with both the victim's blood on it and tracings from Simpson's carpet in his car. The idea that there was a bloody sock at the foot of Simpson's bed with both his blood on it and Nicole Simpson's blood on it. If the jury believes this, if the prosecution can prove it to their satisfaction, the evidence is very strong for the prosecution.
We resume with the jury. I thought I would advise you of two things. I'm going to advise the jurors as to the nature of the delay that we had yesterday, what caused it.
We expect the evidence to show that the blood drops that they found had very, very little DNA. And a graphic soon I will try to demonstrate for you the amount of the DNA found in these blood drops, which meant that these blood drops, according to our experts, were either old or degraded, contaminated by people who collected them and tested them.
This is going to be a long trial, as you can tell. In the event...
In control again. The defendant showed up, and that'll be reflected in the evidence and in the testimony.